Binance, Crypto.com. Which one are you using for crypto investment? Well, today we're going to check them both out. We're going to discuss their benefits as well as their drawbacks. So let's dive in. Okay, so let's jump straight into Binance. So Binance supports over 350 cryptocurrencies and hundreds of trading pairs, catering to both investors and traders. Its massive user base ensures high liquidity in the market. Also, with features like futures trading, margin trading, and stop limit orders, Binance is actually ideal for experienced traders. Its charting tool provides detailed market insights. Binance also charges some of the lowest fees in the industry, starting at just 0.1%. You can enjoy even lower fees by using the BNB coins. Binance also allows peer-to-peer trading with multiple payment methods, giving you control over how you actually buy and sell your crypto. And this feature really just enhances accessibility, especially in regions with limited banking support. One or two of the drawbacks, however, is Binance has faced regulatory scrutiny in several countries. So this is leading to restrictions and challenges for some users in some regions. It does also create some uncertainties for long-term investors in those regions. The platform's many features can also be quite overwhelming for newcomers, so it's best suited for users with a bit of prior crypto experience. So let's jump straight into Crypto.com now. So Crypto.com actually offers access to over 250 cryptocurrencies, making it a fantastic choice for diverse investment portfolios. Whether you're into Bitcoin, altcoins, or stablecoins, there's plenty to choose from. Also, with Crypto.com, you can actually earn. It provides competitive staking rewards, reaching up to 12% annual returns on certain coins, and it makes it really appealing for passive income seekers. Also, holding and staking CRO tokens unlocks enhanced benefits like better interest rates and lower trading fees, and it really encourages active participation within the platform. It also offers a secure and protected. Crypto.com also ensures users are protected with measures such as multi-factor authentication and cold storage. The platform is also insured against cyber attacks for extra peace of mind. One or two of their drawbacks is their very complex fee structure and their limited desktop functionality. So they do offer competitive rates, but it can be difficult to navigate through, especially if you are a beginner. And then the desktop experience is not really as polished as the mobile app, so it's a little bit difficult to navigate through. So as you can see, both of these platforms are amazing. The key takeaway here is to use both of them, see which one actually works for you as an individual, and then go with that one. If this really was helpful, go ahead and drop us a like, and we will catch you next time.